Sheena, your favorite holistic business guide. Oh, excuse me. With NingXia, and I'm back here to share what I just shared with all my English-speaking friends. So as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, hello. Let me know what city, state, or country you're watching from. And if you watch it later, no matter what venue, hashtag replay to let me know you came by. And so I have got my 14-day reset kit. It's heavy, y'all, but this is what it looks like, the 14-day reset kit. So it makes the 14-day reset so easy, so simple, because you have these you have all it portioned out for you. You can take it on the go, and you have like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, all there. And then on the top of it, you can scan right there. You could go directly to the website with all the tools and information. And then you have all of the details in the top right here laid out for you. So I'm going to read what it says on the website just as a reminder. So if you've been watching me this far, hopefully you've already joined the 14-day reset. If for some strange reason you haven't, then you could buy this kit and you can start with us on February. We're going to start January 15th. I'm going to post all my stuff. You'll be watching me on a daily basis as we do this. I'm at my parents' house down in Nashville. They're going to be doing it with me, which is super exciting. And then you can, if you're not ready and don't have it by January 15th, we're doing it every month. So you can make sure that you order it immediately following this. And then you can join us on February 12th. I'll be doing it every month. I'm with a group that's doing it at least 3 months for a complete beginning of the year reset. So whatever fits into your lifestyle, whatever you're needing, be sure to join us. But directly from the website information, big lifestyle changes start small. This kit is your guide to making healthier choices for your body until living well becomes a natural part of your everyday practice. Take the first steps with us over the next 14 days, starting January 15th. So step 1, order your Make a Shift reset kit. Get all the red juice drinks you need for a 14-day reset that fuels your best self, increasing energy, reducing daily stress, and supporting overall health. Step 2, connect with our community. Supportive friends are vital on the journey to wellness. Join our community of like-minded people so they can cheer you on. So there's a couple of different Facebook groups. We have a Facebook group in Spanish now, super exciting, and a bunch of resources. Step 3, track your progress. Before you begin, take a photo or video to document your progress. Sharing your journey with sharing your journey, boost your confidence and invite your community in. And then sip. Making a shift to healthier habits has never been easier. Harness the power of this red juice with NingXia wolfberries, superfruits, and Young Living essential oils with this simple routine. Days 1 through 3, you're going to drink up to 2 red juice sachets 3 times a day. Days 4 through 14, you're going to drink 1 red juice sachet up to 3 times a day. Plus, you want to jumpstart the new year by boosting your results with eating healthy food, plenty of water, daily movement, reducing your stress, and make sure you get enough sleep. And there's so many free supporting resources to help you do all of that. And just a reminder of some of the benefits clinically studied and shown of the red juice. It increases energy levels, improves sleep patterns, increases time asleep, supports healthy digestion, supports healthy inflammation levels, supports whole body health, helps prevent oxidative stress, and supports normal eye health. So if you don't have any of this on hand yet, what you want to do is run to buy this kit. And you're also going to want to get your Ninja Rewards loyalty kit, because once you complete your 14 days, you want to keep those healthy habits. So you're going to keep eating good, you're going to keep drinking your water, and you're going to do a lower dosage between 1 to 4 ounces of this every day. And then you can decide if you want to do another reset. So that is what I want to share with you. This amazing kit makes everything simple and easy for you. For all of you that have already decided that you love yourself enough to invest in yourself and do something different, welcome. And for those of you that haven't yet, make sure that you immediately run to jump on with us. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I can't wait to share starting Monday every single day all of the amazing things that we're going to do on this 14-day reset and share all of my results with you guys. And I can't wait for everyone that has loved themselves to jump on so far to see your results as well. Talk to you guys later. Bye.